Welcome to the How to Use the Subscription Purchasing Program tutorial. In this video, you will be introduced to the Subscription Purchasing Program and how to access the funds associated with the program via your Customer Connect account. This video will walk you through how to redeem SPP credits for services, how to add a user to an SPP fund, and how to generate reports within the SPP fund. Let's begin with the Subscription Purchasing Program basics. SPP offers a credit purchase and burn down model to procure and consume cloud services from VMware. You can acquire SPP by prepaying. The SPP prepaid model allows customers to buy credits up front. The credits are deposited into a customer's account from which they can be redeemed for subscription services at the customer's convenience. This model provides customers with flexibility and an easy way to purchase cloud services. Customers can pay upfront or in batches. How does the SPP prepaid model work? The purchase of SPP credits results in a deposit in a fund balance being made available. Each deposit has its own start and end date. Each credit purchase can be deposited in the same fund if it has the same EA number, currency, and fund owner. If any of these elements is different, then a new fund will be created. Customers can redeem eligible subscription services via the self-service portal. These are billed in arrears. Usage items and services with a recurring payment method may result in overage. In such cases, additional SPP credits must be purchased to cover those overages. The fund owner can monitor redemption activity through the reports available in the SPP portal. The Subscription Purchasing Program provides customers with flexibility and easy consumption of cloud services through the purchase of credits. SPP Prepaid allows to pay credits upfront or in batches with no monthly invoicing. Remember to maintain a sufficient fund balance to cover all costs associated with the service. Additional purchases of credits to increase the fund balance, SPP Prepaid, can be done at any time. SPP credits expire at the end of 1 year from the date of the first purchase or commit. SPP Prepaid receives both volumes and price list discounts. If you have questions or need more information, visit the VMware Purchasing Program homepage to download program guides, FAQs, and customer documents. You can also contact the Subscription Purchasing Program team via the address shown here. How do you access and use the credits contained within the SPP fund? You will need a Customer Connect account. To access SPP funds, log into your Customer Connect account. Select Products and Accounts. Under the Fund Management section, select the HPP SPP Funds option. You can see a list of all your SPP funds on the My Funds page. From this page, you can access various settings. Also, click on the fund name to access the fund details page where you can view redeemed services, deposit details, and exports activity reports. How do you redeem SPP credits towards the purchase of services? To redeem services, access the My Funds or fund details after logging into your Customer Connect account. Redeem services with SPP credits by selecting the Redeem button in either page. The configurator page will display. Determine whether you need to order a new service or add-on services. In this example, we will order a new service. Click the Select to Start button and select the service from the drop-down list. Based on the service selected, a series of radio buttons are now available to configure. After you've made your selections, the service cost displays in the upper right corner of the screen. Select the Continue button in the bottom corner of this page. The Select Services page is displayed. Scroll down through the list of available subscription services and add-ons and make any appropriate selections by entering a number in the quantity field. Click the Continue button when all selections have been made. The Review and Submit page is displayed where you can review details of your order. You can show or hide the calculations by clicking on the link. The cost fields include Due Now, which includes the first month cost for any core service or add-ons with a monthly billing type, plus the full cost of any prepaid items for the duration of the term. The monthly cost for the service includes the cost per month of the core service and add-ons for the duration of the term. The total order commitment includes the total cost of the core service and add-ons for the duration of the term. You have the option of entering descriptive tags about your redemption order. You know your order was successfully submitted when you see this message, redemption ID number for your records. For both the My Funds page, keep in mind that you can always view service redemptions on the Services tab of My Funds page as shown here. Let's walk through how to add a user to an SPP fund. In the Fund Users section, click Add New User. Enter the first name, last name, and email address of the user, then select Continue. You can select Clear to start over or Cancel to exit. Confirm that the new fund user has a Customer Connect account. Review the new fund user's contact information and select Confirm. The super user and procurement contact for the entitlement account are alerted each time you add a new fund user. Look on the Overview tab, you will see the new user's name in the fund user field. There are a few reports available that are related to the SPP funds. From the Fund Details page, you can export a report of all activity within each fund. Let's take another look at what was covered in this tutorial. This tutorial provided a high-level review of what the subscription purchasing program is and how funds are managed. We walked through how to access both SPP funds, redeem SPP credits for a service, and adding a user to a fund, as well as generating reports. Thanks for watching.